I got my love for gardening from my parents, especially my dad. When I was young, our backyard was full of vegetable plants, and our front yard had lots of flowering plants. You've seen me enjoy gardening, and I've also shared my love for traveling and food. You've even seen me try cooking. Today, I'm excited to share another hobby with you that you rarely see me do in videos. That's jewelry making, which I went back to school to learn for 2 years. In this video, I'll be making a pearl pendant and pearl earrings.
Use your bare hands.
Where are you guys from?
Canada.
Oh, okay. And originally from...
Philippines.
Okay.
His Chinese were all Philippines.
Siya lang ang in Chinese.
Yeah, pinanganak siya sa Canada.
Okay. But marunong mag-Tagalog.
Nakaka-pick up ng
Okay.
basta
Yeah.
may halong English.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna tap it 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, and say aloha. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Aloha.
Aloha!
I have to hide my head.
That's okay. It's okay. Go ahead.
You can drill it for us, right? Yeah.
I'd like you to give it like a microphone. And you got white.
Oh, white one. Nice. Oh, that's pretty
Yeah.
big. That's like about 7 to 8.
Yeah, 7.5, 8. Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
wow.
white for beauty and hope. Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you pick a good one.
Okay, let's tap it 3 times together, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, say aloha.
Aloha!
Oh, you have 2 white.
Oh,
I got 2.
2
Wow.
white.
Oh, lucky.
wow. These are the pearls from the pickup pearl in Hawaii. I'm going to turn them into a pearl pendant and earrings using sterling silver. I have some pre-made findings for pearls and other half-drilled beads, but these findings are meant for smaller pearls. The posts that go into the holes are too thin and short. If they were the right size, making the pendant and earrings would have been much easier and faster. This 18-gauge sterling silver wire fits the pearl holes perfectly. I'm making the hole bigger in this pre-made pearl cap to fit the 18-gauge wire. This is a bit tricky because the cap is small and hard to hold. the wire fits into the hole I just drilled. I wanted a little resistance, but this works fine. The wiring cap are ready for soldering. This will join the two pieces together. I'm now applying flux to where the two metals meet. Flux cleans the metal and helps the solder spread evenly over the joint. Picking up a small piece of solder and placing it in the joint area where I want to solder the two metal pieces. I'm trying to position the solder to exactly where I want it to be. Here's another piece to solder. Applying flux. A piece of solder. I always keep extra solder nearby just in case I need to use more. The post is a little long. I'll cut it in small sections to make sure I don't remove too much. I'm filing off the metal burr and rounding the tip of the post at the same time. Here are the soldered pieces. This one is for the pendant. Here's for the earring. And the other one. I'll clean the pearl findings using the magnetic tumbler. This Coke is no longer fizzy. It's a few years old, but it still works for cleaning metals, especially sterling silver. This plastic bag will keep the tumbler clean from Coke drips. The magnetic tumbler rotates the metal pieces with small stainless steel pins. The combination of Coke's acidity and the tumbling action polishes and cleans the metal surfaces. Fishing out the pearl findings from the sea of stainless steel pins. Mixing the two-part epoxy to attach the pearls to the findings. I'm now applying glue into the half-drilled hole of the pearl to secure the post. The post also needs a bit of glue. Here's the other pair. Don't run away from me now. The glue needs 24 hours to cure. After putting the pearls and post together, I'll let them set and check on them tomorrow. Opening the loop on the lever back earring finding to attach the pearl, using rubberized tip pliers to protect the sterling silver finding from damage.